Welcome to the class. Trading is fun when you know how. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce losses and increase profits, because we're going to be guiding you step by step with no step skipped. Okay, so this is Delta X Exchange. We recommend this exchange for new users because it is easier to navigate through. You can see up here where you will deposit, buy crypto, trade, and if you look down here, you see where you can start trading right away. But before we get into that, because that's where we're going to make the whole money, we're going to first of all come to markets. See markets right here. So when you go open market, you're going to see all the possible instruments you can trade. You can see futures up here. So these futures, you see options and see TradeFi. So for this class, we're going to focus on futures and TradeFi. So you can see under futures, you see BTC, Ethereum, Sol, XRP, Doge, and the likes. So when you come to this trade section, you can see trade section. This is where we're going to be taking the money from the market. So if you don't already know how to use trades, futures trade signals, we're going to show you right here right now, because we have a Telegram community where we give new traders trade signals. So with these trade signals, you don't have to be guessing and entering the market anyhow. So just come to our Telegram channel. You're going to see trade signals we share. You can see trade signals. Let me show you. When you scroll, you can see trade signals we share in our Telegram community. So let me find an example with exact entry. You can see exactly, this is BTC. So you can see there's a leverage there for you. There's entry price, stop loss, and take profit target. All you have to do is to enter all of this in the trade section on your exchange, your Delta X exchange. So let's say we click on BTC and we want to place trade on BTC. So once you select BTC, you scroll down to this place where you see buy, sell. So depending on what the signal says, if the signal says long, it means you are buying, you see buy or long. And if the signal says sells, you click on sell or short. So let's say you are buying or longing. So then the signal will tell you the leverage. So in the example there, we saw 25x. So you select 25x. Always keep to the leverage recommended, okay? If you're a new trader, but if you're advanced, you can do what you want. Then you change this order, you click here, you change this to limit order. So limit order ensures that price pick up your exact price entry. Okay, so you check the entry price in the signal and you enter it right here. So where they wrote best bid, so you type your limit order there. So let's say what you have there is 59,000. So you type it there. Then the quantity, this quantity depends on how much you want to risk on this trade. So let's say you want to risk 10% of the money in your account. For me, you can see there, you see $9.49. So this is the amount I want to use. But when I put my stop loss, it's going to show me exactly how much I'm going to lose if this trade goes against me. So we're going to see it just now. Okay. So to put stop loss and take profits, you're going to click on this add TP/SL. So let's click on it. So you can see this is why I love this exchange. Very easy to use. So you can just select any of this percentage. It will show you 1% of the amount you are risking is you're going to lose $2.36 if this trade go against you. But if you're using the trade signal, we already write it in the signal what you should type in the stop loss section. So let's say in the stop loss section you saw 58,500. So you type here 58,500. So, and you're going to see exactly how much you're going to lose. You can see it's showing us $2. So that's the amount we will lose if this trade goes against us. Then in the TP session, take profit session, you see up here. So let's say what we have there is 60,500. So you can see the amount we're going to profit if this trade goes in our favor, $6. So all you have to do now is to click on set bracket. So once you type that, it's going to save. You can see it's right here. So that's your stop loss and take profit. So once you confirm that everything is correct and accurate, you can now click on buy. See buy right there. So you click on buy. So it's going to ask you to confirm, is it accurate? Are you okay with what you've set? If yes, then you click on place order right here. So place order. So you can see the order has been placed. So once price come down to 59,500, this trade is going to trigger. You can see the order right here. So this is how you can execute trades using our trade signals. So you don't have to be guessing. And when you're ready to learn how to analyze the market yourself, we can show you in the channel step by step how to use TradingView to analyze the market. So if this video is helpful and you want to join the class, check the link in the description. Open your trading account with Delta Exchange and join the class. Join the Telegram channel. See you inside.